The following teacher development program is brought to you by the MultiChoice Africa Foundation.
I need to go to the soccer match. Thandi wants to go shopping, but one of us has to supervise Saturday's homework class.
Ready to take a chance? Either select a face card from the pack or throw a 9 with the dice. Get it right and I'll go tomorrow.
What are my chances getting it right?
Work it out.
Okay. Let's see. Check. Let's see. Queens and jack. Right. So we've got spades, hearts, diamonds, and clubs. That's 4, 8, 12. So all in all, we have 52 cards in a deck. I need to find my odds. Can I have a calculator, please?
Let's see where. Okay. There we go.
Thank you. 12 divided by 52 is equal to 0.23 there. So we'll take that as 0.23. So we need to find a percentage. Therefore, we multiply 0.23 by 100. 0.23 multiply by 100 is equal to 23%. 23% in my favor and giving you 77%. No one will ever say yes to odds like that.
Well, let's do the dicing then. Get it right and I'll go.
Not so fast, sister, not so fast. I need to get the odds for that.
I'm gonna grab some tea. This is gonna take a while.
All right, there it is. 11%. My chances of throwing a 9 with these dice are even worse. Only 11%.
How did you work that out?
Okay, there are 4 ways to throw a 9 with these dice. You can throw a 3 on red and 6 on white. Or you can throw a 4 on red and 5 on white, vice versa. So there are 4. That's 3, 6. 6 plus 3, that's 9. 4, 5. 5 plus 4 is 9.
Right. You've got 4 chances of throwing a 9 on the dice. What's the problem?
The problem is, all in all, there are 36 ways of throwing these dice. That's 6 times 6. The probability of throwing a 9 with these dice is 4 over 36. So what we need to do is, okay, let's say 4 divided by 36, and it is 0.11, right? So we need to convert that into a percentage, right? So we're going to have to multiply 0.11 by 100, and that gives us multiply by 100 is equal to, all right, 11%. And that, Miss Thandi, are the odds which no bookie would touch. So forget it.
So how did you work out that there are 36 possible throws of the dice?
It's logic.
No. Don't tell me about logic. Show me.
You don't get satisfied, do you?
No, but you know, in math literacy, you can't just arrive at an answer. You have to show how you arrived at that answer.
Oh, yeah.
I'll show you with mathematics how gambling doesn't pay.
Mr. Jean Katanga is teaching a maths literacy lesson on probability and gambling. Jean will be throwing 2 dice and adding the 2 numbers on the dice to get a total. He will throw the dice 3 times, giving the learners 3 chances to win. They have to bet on a number for each throw. The learners just place their bets arbitrarily. They have not yet learnt how to use maths literacy principles to predict what to bet on.
And 5. What's the total? 7. Who got 7?
Each time Jean throws the dice, a lucky winner wins a prize. Jean asked the learners to determine all the combinations you could throw if you used 2 dice.
I can have 1 on dice 1 and 2 on dice 2. And that's what you will do and fill in the table here. Can you count and tell me how many possibilities are there?
21, because I add 1 and plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so forth.
So you got 21?
Yes.
36. If there's like 1 and 1, it's 1 possibility, and so forth, and I counted them, all of them.
How many possibilities are there to get 2?
1.
Now the learners have to add the 2 numbers for each combination to get a total for each throw. This will help them discover which numbers are most likely to come up.
How many possibilities are there to get 3? 2. It's 1 and 2, and 2 and 1. So there are 2 possibilities to get 3. Now you can fill in the rest of the table. If you have to bet, which number will you prefer?
7.
Why?
Reason being, you are more likely to win because there are 6 possibilities out of 36.
The next game is a mini lotto. In the national lotto, 6 balls are drawn out of a total of 49. Here, the learners will draw 2 numbers out of a total of 4 numbers. The learners have a ticket for each lotto draw on their worksheet. They have to circle their 2 numbers.
So what we'll do now is one person will come and draw 2 bottle tops, and we will see who has 1.
Many learners win this game. The odds must be quite high. Jean now asks the learners to list all the possible combinations you can draw in this game if you drew 2 numbers out of a bag with 4 numbers.
How many possibilities did you find in all?
6.
Now, if you want to win here, how many tickets will you buy?
6.
Why 6?
Because there are 6 combinations.
Now the learners know that they will have to buy 6 tickets to write out all the combinations in mini lotto.
The first one we use the 2 dice, all right? And here we use the 4 bottle top.
Jean asked the learners to speculate in which game the odds are higher. A few learners speculate.
I say the dice because you shake and roll them and it is easy to play.
I prefer to choose the bottle tops because it's easier. You get many chances to win because if you just pull out any number, you get a prize. Then in the dice, you may roll the dice and not find the number you must find, so you lose.
In the mini lotto,